checking MDF Funds in KettleiQ. In this short training, I'll show you how to read the market development fund a distributor gives you, earned, used, and remaining, before you plan a spend against it. Let's take a look. You'll find this under CRM, MDF Funds from your dashboard. MDF Funds tracks market development money a distributor funds you, separate from the per-account co-op budgets. I show the total earned, how much has been used so far, and what's still remaining for each distributor. The fund auto-accrues from that distributor's invoiced purchases, say 2% of what they buy, so the earned balance grows on its own as they order. You can also record an accrual manually when you need to. Open the ledger to see the detail behind a fund, every accrual and every use, what it was for, and which account or event it was tied to. Use the filters to narrow by period or category if you need a specific area. Planning something that would draw from this fund? Check the remaining balance here first and confirm with your manager before committing. This pool is tied to the distributor relationship, not to just one rep.